of going on a slant. I'm sorry, ma'am.
It was my only friend.
Nothing to see here. Just kneeling in front of the electric outlet, appreciating Edison's miracle.
Suppose I will take the closet. Hey, morning, boss. Hey, what you taking your coffee?
And I don't think you should get too comfortable here.
Okay. Thought you might say that. You hide me here, I'll give you $1 a day. Here's 1 week in advance.
Yes, I'm a slumlord.
Oh, yeah. Started from the bottom, now my whole team in. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Yeah, I done kept it real from the jump.
Where is Bart getting this money?
Hey, boss.
We have a situation here. You owe me 3 weeks back rent.
Bart Simpson, you are cruelly exploiting a poor, unfortunate woman.
So you're gonna tell Mom, and she's gonna kick Hetty out.
Girlie, ain't you got a heart? Now I gotta sing for my supper. It was a cart meant for shopping. It held the pan. I cooked my slop in. It wasn't my home and my place of worship. It wasn't my home and it was kind of my car. While Safeway wonders where you are. I'm glad you like the song.
Yes, I liked it very, very, very much. Oh, you want money? I'm sorry, I don't have any. But you could stay in our house.
Ha-ha, it's a deal. Back in the boys' closet.
No, Hetty, you're a human being. You can sleep in my closet.
Well, la-dee-da.
Check 1, 2. Huh?
All right, no, leave the windows open. I like crickets and night breeze in the music.
Okay, and 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Barnes and Noble has been shuttered. I miss your bathroom policy for many a long day.
It's lovely, but I want you to know I've truly come to hate music.
Hetty, I have a surprise for you.
Oh, well, barbecue my bedbugs. That is glorious.
Welcome back to Mountain Tracks. I'm here today with the one and only Miss Hetty Mae Boggs, the baby of the Boggs family.
Well, I'm a little pig for a baby.
Is it also true you've been discovered by and then turned your back on well-meaning supporters time and time again?
Yes, that is a pattern out here, too. And do you have any Oxycontin?
Hetty, please tell me that you're rehabilitated. Please tell me that you're talking about heroin so that no one else will follow in your footsteps. Please reassure me because I am frightened.
But if I don't get something sweet, I might shoot someone in the face.
Are you saying that you shot your parents in the face?
I don't know.
She is not going to let me down. She is not. I am saving her.
Okay, you've convinced me. You're out of your mind.
Eddie, we need to get you up, run you through a car wash, and get you to that concert.
And take you there all the day.
Hey, back talk.
Little girl fits so good to me. Well, I can't shoot you in the face. I'll just make you deaf for a week.
No! I have church tomorrow. Can you do the other?
Hello, Springfield!
They're gone, and I am never, ever gonna forgive you.
Slipped in the mud and lost my way. Found a bag of chips and half a Twix. Oh, honey, I've been down. Redback shoes and a Burger King crown. And down is where I think I'm gonna stay. In the house next door to Flanders, there's a devil boy named Bart. Curtains all have corn cobs. There's a sailboat on the wall. And I took the silver